For almost a century, WOH HUP has been instrumental in shaping Singapore's skyline. As we move into the future, we're taking construction to the next level with the game-changing power of 3D concrete printing. Today's construction landscape demands faster project delivery, smarter workforce management, and greener solutions. WOH HUP's 3D concrete printing delivers exactly that, transforming how we design, build, and deliver. This breakthrough technology turns digital models into reality, layer by layer. It eliminates the requirement for conventional formwork, reduces material consumption, and provides full design flexibility, ranging from standard wall elements to highly complex architectural geometries. A bold initiative led by WOH HUP, this partnership unites the best of industry and research. WOH HUP brings construction expertise, NUS drives R&D, and NAMIC bridges innovation with real-world application. From the start, BCA has been a vital partner, providing early regulatory guidance and a performance-based approach that encouraged adoption while assuring stakeholders of feasibility. The journey then began sourcing, testing printed samples, and trials in China. Back in Singapore, WOH HUP and NUS continued to share knowledge and technical expertise, while conducting rigorous tests to ensure compliance. The first panel was printed in-house and carefully reviewed by qualified personnel and key stakeholders, ensuring both quality and visual excellence. A clear sign that these are no longer just prototypes, but practical solutions ready for industry implementation. Then came the leap to full-scale on-site printing, a glimpse into a future where productivity and safety go hand in hand.
The novel GUAN project extended 3D concrete printing into structural and load-bearing applications, produced faster, safer, and with less waste.
At CDL, innovation and digitalization are key drivers in enhancing value chain collaboration and process efficiency. The use of WOH HUP 3D concrete printing solution and novel GUAN project led to construction time saving and lower material wastage, and is aligned with our decarbonization goal. We see strong potential in applying this technology for future projects to further enhance productivity and sustainability.
With 3D printing, construction becomes faster, smarter, more efficient, safer, and sustainable.
Together with our partners and stakeholders, we hope to continue refining 3D concrete printing to expand its applications and shape its role in tomorrow's built environment.
WOH HUP stands at the frontier of innovation, pioneering 3D concrete printing for the future of Singapore and beyond.